So we're in this really cool place. Rocks. Have a bunch of cool type of rocks. Oh, is this like the shale? This is. So I want to show you the animals here. Here's the rat snake. A massive bluegill. He's like the size of my hand. But Dunkleosteus. There's a Dunkleosteus got way more bigger than that. Shaw could be like 5 feet. Let's go try to see the skunks. Wow, there's even more.
1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. They look super cute. I think they were bigger too. They're small.
How can huge trees like this sycamore continue living even though it is hollow? Only the fallen cambium and sapwood layers near the outside of the trunk are alive. The wood in the center of the trunk, called the heartwood, isn't actually living. Sometimes it rots away, leaving a hollow but still living tree. Hollow trees
Acorns.
are a great shelter for wildlife such as
Squirrel
bats,
tail there.
raccoons, bears, tree frogs, bees, and
Baby, yes. Good girl.
even people
Nuts.
learn to seek shelter in hollow trees.
That's it. Hope you enjoyed this really cool place. Bye bye.